Hey there, amazing people. So, how are you doing? Welcome back again on this amazing YouTube channel. This is me, Soumya Shekhawat, and today we are diving into something super exciting. In today's video, we are gonna talk about top 5 skills which you should learn in 2025. Now, these all skills are not just trending but will also future proof your personal and professional growth. So, grab a notebook and let's get started. The first skill on our list is artificial intelligence. Now, artificial intelligence is shaping every industry from healthcare to entertainment. And guess what? You don't have to be a tech wizard to get started. There are plenty beginner friendly courses on platforms like Coursera, Udemy, where you can just get started. Now, you can automate your regular tasks, writing AI prompts, and all you need to do is to just have the basic information like how to write AI prompts and every such thing. And it is really very easy. You don't want to, get started in this particular field, that is artificial intelligence, but you should have a basic overview so that you can automate your everyday task. It will be very easier for you and it will make all of your regular schedule tasks very convenient. Trust me, guys. So this is the skill to learn for 2025. Next up, we have financial literacy. Now, let's just face it, money management is a very essential life skill which many of us were not taught in our schools. Now, whether it's about budgeting, investing, or understanding taxes, being financially savvy can set you up for success. So for this, we are having a lot of free resources like the one which I'm going to talk in this video, that is Google's Money Made Simple. You can go through this resource as well for, being financially literate. And also nowadays, there are a lot of YouTube videos you can go through where you will find that how to invest your money, when to invest your money, and where to invest your money. So all of these things play a very important role in today's era. So I think financial literacy is a one thing that you should definitely know in 2025. The third skill is something I'm super passionate about, digital content creation. Now, whether it's about creating videos, it's about writing blogs, or it's about, creating those eye-catching social media posts, content is king in today's world. So start posting, start creating content and share it with your audience. Whether if you are from a medical background or if you are an engineering student, just start sharing all those things which you learn from your own background and your own field. And other than this, the more things you can do is that if you are having any kind of hobby, if you have interest in some other things so start creating content and just share it with your audience. Now all you have to do is to share everything in your unique voice and you have to just create an online presence. The fourth skill is decision making. Now, I think that decision making, when you will listen this thing, it will be so easier for you to, just grab it in your head and to be stuck here because people are always stuck on this place. People think decision making it's not that big problem, but let me tell you it is. People are manifesting, people are making vision boards, they are doing a lot of stuff to be the best person of their lives, to be the best version of themselves, but the main thing they don't have and the main point where they're lacking is the decision making. They don't have clear understanding, they don't have that problem solving ability. So until and unless you don't have that problem solving ability, you won't be able to make correct decisions, you will not have a particular goal, then how you will gather up all of your positive energy and you will put towards that goal? That is not even possible. So trust me, if you have a clear mindset, please be clear with it. And if you don't have a clear mindset, set a goal and then start working towards it. Have a proper decision, start solving all of your problems because nothing is gonna stop you to be the best version of yourself in this year. So trust me, decision making is one thing you should master, and this particular thing is not something like that you will take any course and you will master this thing. No, not at all. You have to sit at a place, you have to take your notebook, you have to take a page, and then you have to start writing about whatever comes in your head, and then you have to make a clear vision, a clear visualization, understanding of what you want to be in future. So please be clear with this particular thing and start making correct decisions for yourself. Last but not the least, the fifth skill which I want to personally recommend you is writing and reading. Now, these things are not something that people often talk about in learning new skill, just because these things are very general things. But trust me, these things have a very great impact on everybody out there, on every single person's life. So if you start writing journal, if you start journaling this year, this is gonna help you a lot out there, not only in the aspect of having a great creative writing skill, but also you will have a proper vision, a clear understanding towards your goal. It will help you to visualize all those things in a very perfect manner. Trust me, if you will start writing all these things in a journal, and if you start writing all of these things, whatever comes in your mind in a journal or in a notebook, this is gonna help you a lot out there in decision making and every such thing, and it will help you to reach towards your goal in a faster manner. Next thing I want to talk to you about is the reading portion. Now you can start reading self-help books or some other kind of books. The genre is all up to you. Whatever you want to choose and whatever interest you, just read those kind of books. It's not like it's just a task and then you just have to take a boring book and then you have to just finish it. No, not at all. You just have to ask yourself that what kind of things interest you, and then buy those kind of books. If you think comic book interests you, then buy comic books, but at least start reading. You will gain something, and if not, you will able to learn this language. So stop distracting yourself from all of the things revolving all around you and just focus on one thing. Reading and writing will help you out there a lot. So there you have it, top 5 skills which you should definitely not miss out in 2025. Which of these skills are you most excited about? Let me know down in the comment section, and also subscribe to this YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends and family. Till then, take care and bye bye. Thank you.